Glass Van Great Dane, your full-service supplier of Autocar Xspotter shunt tractors. Glass Van has over 20 years of experience in the Canadian shunt truck market and are your specialists in providing a true full-service support experience. Autocar is a century-old U.S. manufacturer, renowned for their severe-duty vocational equipment. Over 100 experts, operators, and engineers, and several years went into the design, development, and production of the Xspotter shunt truck. The end result was not just another shunt truck, but rather a piece of equipment that simply works better. Autocar took the everyday shunt truck and made the Xspotter great by focusing on three key areas: safety, productivity, reliability. It doesn't matter if you move only 5 trailers a day, or hundreds in a busy dock, yard, or intermodal operation. Glass Van and Autocar has the Xspotter shunt truck to do the job with more safety, efficiency, and reliability than any other truck in the market. By providing your drivers with the safest and most comfortable working environment, they will remain happier, more reliable, and ultimately far more productive. This will allow your operation to remain at peak efficiency while reducing costs. Yard space is used more efficiently with a shunt tractor, as trailers can be positioned much closer together as dolly leg cranks do not have to be accessed. Canadian shunting operations demand the right truck for the job. Our climate dictates that equipment must be built better to last longer. Day cab highway tractors are not designed for shunting operations. Not only is the driver forced to repeatedly climb up and down the steps to retract and extend the trailer dolly legs, but the components on the truck do not stand up to the rigors of repeated coupling and uncoupling of trailers. The use of a day cab highway tractor is not only very inefficient, but it can be unsafe for the driver. The Autocar Xspotter from Glass Van is spec'd with our latest driver safety and comfort package to ensure that operator accidents are reduced as much as possible. Oversized steps and platforms with heavy-duty traction are all painted a high-visibility yellow so the driver can safely plant his foot in all lighting environments. Multiple grab handles ensure a positive 3-point contact at all times when entering or exiting the vehicle. Strategically placed spotlights ensure that the entire working area, including the sides of the trailer, are brightly illuminated for safe nighttime operation. When coupling and uncoupling from trailers, the Autocar Xspotter allows the driver to remain safely on the vehicle at all times. Simply back under the trailer, lift the trailer with Autocar's heavy-duty hydraulic fifth wheel, exit the large sliding rear door, connect the air and electrical lines from the large rear platforms, and pull away. Not only is this operation quick and easy, but the driver consistently remains in a safe position. All Autocar Xspotters from Glass Van include our harsh climate package. Part of this package includes strategically placed rain trapper skirts and flaps, which greatly reduces frozen road spray and debris from coating the side steps and rear platforms, which will reduce slippery surfaces that can cause a driver to slip and fall. Another feature of the harsh climate package is our heated Motorised Mir setup. With this package, not only are both mirrors heated to increase visibility in winter conditions, but the right side mirror is also motorized for simple in-cab adjustment. Autocar makes it better by including heated round convex mirrors and the ability for the driver to not only adjust the moto mirror side to side, but also up and down. All controls, including the heated and motorized mirrors, are located for easy operation on Autocar's ergonomically designed dash layout. One of the strongest advantages of the Autocar Xspotter is the Spacious Cab. Simply put, Autocar provides the largest standard cab and greatest visibility in the business. Standing a whopping 76 inches tall, the cab on the Xspotter is the largest truck cab available. Even taller 6-foot drivers do not have to crouch down to enter or exit the doorway, or risk hitting their head every time they pull a trailer. Once seated, the driver will enjoy unmatched visibility to their outside surroundings. Only on the Autocar is the windshield and side windows 30 to 40% larger than any other shunt vehicle. These extra-large windows allow the driver great visibility and greatly increases safety for the vehicle as well as the entire operation. Autocar's windshield wiper covers a far greater area than that of the competition. With the included safety and comfort package, Glass Van and Autocar are committed to providing an exceptional driver experience. Other features of this package include dual cab air ride suspension, isolates the cab and operator from jarring. Superior front suspension system, All Autocar Xspotters come standard with front axle shock absorbers. This premium suspension system is located directly under the driver to provide increased comfort while operating on all types of yard surfaces. The latest innovation from Autocar is Smart Air Lockout, which prevents uncoupling of the fifth wheel when the truck is in motion. Robust cab guards prevent cab damage and potential injury from occurring in case the trailer kingpin is missed when coupling to trailers. One of the main reasons why companies consider a shunt truck is productivity. Simply put, an Autocar Xspotter can move more trailers quickly and efficiently in any operation. In the time it takes even a highly trained driver in a well-equipped day cab highway tractor to move a single trailer, an Autocar can move 3 to 4 trailers safely and efficiently. Huge fuel savings and significantly lower maintenance costs are great, but the main reason why Autocar shunt trucks are the preferred trailer mover is speed. 75% less time spent coupling and uncoupling to trailers. Less fuel is wasted and less labor tied up to perform the task. Consider that an Autocar shunt truck can move 3 to 4 trailers in the time it takes even a well-equipped day cab to move a single unit. With a shunt truck, your operation will not be held up while you wait for the trailers to arrive at the dock or door. The efficiency and speed of an Autocar also has increased benefits on the other areas of your operation, docks or shops, not left idle waiting for trailers. Production lines are not stopped when the components do not arrive in time. Even low-usage operations benefit from the increased efficiency a shunt truck offers. Operators can be assigned to other tasks when their shunt truck work is performed in 75% less time. An Autocar Xspotter shunt truck can greatly reduce labor costs. Autocar shunt trucks are the most practical solution to moving trailers in your yard, port, dock, terminal shop, or intermodal operation, available exclusively from Glass Van Great Dane. Although shunt trucks by nature are designed to be an effective method of moving trailers, Autocar and Glass Van take this a step further by incorporating many features and operations to ensure that the Xspotter remains working. As part of Glass Van's harsh climate package, the driver-controlled rear axle lock allows extra on-demand traction when operating on snowy and icy surfaces. Dedicated air systems. Nothing causes more frustration and loss of productivity than having to sit under a trailer, revving the engine while waiting for the trailer suspension to air up and brakes to be released. Autocar uses a dedicated 3-tank air system with a higher capacity compressor that is only responsible for brakes and trailer supply. The Autocar Xspotter allows the driver to simply hook up and go. The Autocar has been designed with a centralized daily check station. At the beginning of every shift, drivers must complete full checks of their vehicle. The Autocar has designed the Xspotter with efficiency in mind and has located everything into one central station. Located adjacent to the driver's side access steps, the driver will be able to check both engine oil and transmission fluid levels, purge all 3 air tanks, prime fuel filters if needed, and disconnect engine block heater cable. The station is conveniently located beside the fuel tank to allow the driver to complete all these tasks while waiting for refueling. While many competitors will say they have the same shunt tractor as Glass Van, what really separates an Autocar Xspotter from the competition is our unmatched reliability. Glass Van has been in the shunt truck sales, leasing, and service business for over 20 years. Through vast experience in the Canadian shunt truck market, Glass Van knows what it takes to build a quality and reliable shunt truck. Our in-house leasing and rental fleet is the largest single buyer of shunt trucks in Canada. Therefore, every Autocar Xspotter from Glass Van is spec'd with the latest in reliable components and technology. We expect our own trucks to be operating in a near-consistent basis, not parked in the yard waiting for parts and service. Glass Van's reliability package includes tried and tested options and components to ensure all of our customers' trucks are working trouble-free. These features include heavy-duty 5-speed Allison RDS 3500 automatic transmission with synthetic fluid and comprehensive 4-year warranty, engine block heater for fast, reliable starts on cold Canadian mornings, carefully sealed wiring and electrical components to prevent corrosion caused by road de-icing chemicals, bonded automotive-style cab glass, which eliminates leaking caused by typical rubber gasket-sealed windows. Automatic greasing systems provide worry-free lubrication to over 35 critical points, including bushings, suspension components, and the fifth wheel. Heavy-duty 100,000-pound fifth wheel with fabricated and machined top plate reduces cracking, premature wear, and lasts over 50% longer than standard cast fifth-wheel plates. Oftentimes, it is better to keep things simple in order to reduce downtime and increased reliability. One thing you won't find on an Autocar Xspotter is a complex rear suspension. Rather, you will notice a solid rear axle connected to the industry's most robust main frame. By eliminating a rear suspension, Autocar has also reduced costly parts that are susceptible to premature wear and deterioration. Items such as bushings, airbags, weight control valves, spring packs, and extra air lines are eliminated, which greatly reduces potential service issues and downtime. It is a fact of life that harsh road de-icing chemicals can be troublesome to all vehicles in Canada. Autocar combats the battle with rust by employing the industry's best cab paint process. Every Xspotter cab goes through a complex 13-stage electrocoat process which ensures superior paint adhesion in even the tightest, most remote areas. As well, all steps and work platforms feature a hot-dipped galvanized coating prior to painting. Although these processes are more complex and cost more than typical dual-stage prime and paint, it gives every owner of an Autocar Xspotter a truck that will keep its good looks for many years beyond that of our competitors. Small displacement Cummins ISB, QSB, and ISLG diesel and natural gas-powered engine have been selected by Autocar. Autocar installed more Cummins ISLG natural gas-powered engines in truck equipment from 2004 to 2012 than any other U.S. manufacturer. While these CNG and LNG-fueled engines were predominantly for over 4,000 refuse trucks delivered by Autocar, you can look to Autocar to understand how to incorporate efficient and clean green natural gas technology into their shunt tractor platform. The DOT Road Legal Xspotter comes standard with a 2-speed fan clutch. In Canada, where we experience a wide range of temperatures, it is extremely important to ensure that modern diesel engines and the exhaust aftertreatment systems are operating at optimal temperature. The 2-speed fan on the Xspotter DOT on-road model allows for more precise temperature regulation, which extends the time between exhaust system services and works to ensure the engine isn't running too hot or cold. At Autocar, their commitment to provide reliable shunt trucks starts well before the truck leaves the state-of-the-art assembly facility. Every Xspotter that comes off the assembly line goes through a rigorous quality control inspection. First off, every truck makes a visit to Autocar's in-house dynamometer. It is on this dyno that every truck is brought up to full operating temperature through a range of RPM and road speeds, all the while computers monitoring a complex series of diagnostic checks. Items like engine speed, transmission shifting, brakes, and overall driveline components are all thoroughly tested on the dyno. Once Autocar's engineers and quality control managers are satisfied with the dyno results, a 2-person team goes through every inch of the truck to ensure every light, electrical connector, hose, and all other items meet Autocar's, and more importantly, the customer's standard. At Autocar, the term, "the customer is our boss," isn't just a catchy saying, it's a way of life for every employee. While shunt trucks are a necessary piece of equipment for a vast array of operations, what truly sets Glassvan and Autocar apart from our competitors is after-sales support. Without a superior parts and service support network, even the most experienced customers will end up frustrated and disappointed. But not with Glassvan and Autocar. Glassvan has a dedicated shunt truck service operation in order to keep your equipment running. Our 6-bay service center is a licensed Cummins service provider and features trained technicians who work exclusively on all makes and models of shunt trucks. This large facility, centrally located in Mississauga, also features a massive parts warehouse in order to quickly react to customers' demands. Glassvan has several mobile service vehicles domiciled across our 5 southern Ontario locations, which allows us to complete services and repairs right in a customer's yard. For bigger jobs that require a visit to our service center, Glassvan's dedicated trucks and float trailers working on our locale will carefully ship your shunt truck to and from your operation. Glassvan features a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-per-week call center and mobile dispatch to support issues that arise at any time of the day. Autocar and Glassvan not only offer DOT on-road shunt tractors, but have heavy-duty and tandem drive axle models for moving trailers with higher gross weights. Autocar also offers natural gas-powered options. For those customers who prefer to complete their own service, Autocar offers online factory direct support. Simply visit autocartruck.com to enter your truck and contact information, and your inquiry is immediately distributed to 15 Xspotter experts across the company. Autocar will determine the best expert to assist with your issue, and within 60 minutes during normal business hours, you will receive a live phone call to assist you. For those operations that do not have their own service and maintenance facility, Glassvan has you covered. We have Canada's largest shunt truck fleet. Whether you need one short-term rental or 20 trucks on a long-term lease, the experts at Glassvan can custom tailor a program to meet your needs. All of our rentals and leases are offered to include our comprehensive full maintenance program. Glassvan takes care of everything from scheduled maintenance to safety inspections and even brakes and tires. Compare our full maintenance programs to anyone else, and you will see that Glassvan truly has you covered from top to bottom. The Autocar Xspotter from Glassvan is the best shunt truck available in Canada. No other supplier has the experience, quality product, and full support like Glassvan. When you consider the important points of safety, productivity, and reliability, Autocar's Xspotter is the clear leader in every category. Combine this with Glassvan and Autocar's dedication to after-sales support, and you can rest easy knowing we are there to help you from day number one and well into the future.